Okay, let's look at this question now. The average of first 7 terms of an AP is 3 by 7 times the average of 7th to 13th term of the same AP. Guys, if you know the average of an AP is the middle term of that AP, so you can write the average of first 7 terms would be the fourth term. So T4 would be 3 by 7 times. And if you can see 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th, this would be a separate AP. And the average of this AP would be the middle term, that is 10th term. So it would be nothing but 3 by 7 times the 10th term. Now, fourth term would be A plus 3D, and that is equal to 3 by 7 times A plus 9D. So that is 7A, 3A. So 4A is equal to, this would be 7 into 3, 21D, 27. So 6D, or you can write from here 2A is equal to 3D. This is the relation I'm getting. Now, the average of first 4 terms would be, the average of first 4 terms would be, A would be the first term and the fourth term would be A plus 3D. So average of these first, this is T1, this is T4. So average of first 4 terms would be, T1 plus T4 by 2, first term plus last term by 2. This would be the average, right? And this would be 2A plus 3D by 2. 2A I know is how much? 3D, right? So either I can have this expression as, if I replace 2A with 3D, so it would be 6D by 2. So I'm getting it as 3D, thrice the common difference, but the option is twice the common difference. So no, this cannot be the answer. Let me just replace 3D with 2A. So I'm left with 4A by 2. So this average would be 2A, that is twice the first term. So option C has to be the correct answer.